Hello, we will present the project of Gigante Junior Multiproductos y Servicios. My team is formed by Hector, Mario, and me, Cynthia. This project is developed with the aim of achieving improvement in different areas of the company through the implementations of different working methods. Background. The is a micro company that has different departments, areas dedicated to the sales and repair of wide varieties of musical instruments, electrical applications, electronics, hardware, and snacks. It began activities in 1990 with a commercial name of El Gigante Junior, with sales of hats, miscellany, clothes, and novelties. And in 1996, the commercial renovations and business change began eliminating the sales of clothing and headgear and integrated the sales of accessories and musical instruments and spare parts blender. 1998, the name was changed to Centro Musical Gigante Junior, and the sales of audiovisual equipment and electronic components is expanded. In 2000, loudspeakers and musical instrument repair shop was incorporated, as well as telephones, booth services, and photocopy centers, sending and receiving faxes, and document writing. In 2002, the name was updated to Gigante Junior Multiproductos y Servicios. 2004, the company logo is designed and the colors used in it are made official. As you can see in the picture, the colors are red, yellow, black, and white. Customer loyalty. The objective of loyalty program proposal is to reward consumers' behavior required regarding their purchases in the stores, with the intention of societal loyalty and loyalty towards of the company. This program offers discounts, coupons, prices, or any other type of benefits that confirm the convenience of Gigante Junior Multiproductos y Servicios. The strategic marketing planning. This is the canvas model. It's divided into 9 blocks, which are key for a good optimization for the company. The first block reflects the value propositions. Also, the second block reflects the segmentation of consumers. Apart from that, there is also the channel block, which shows the type of channels that the company uses to reach the customers. In addition, there is the customer relationship block, which shows key users the maintain good relationships with the customers. On the other hand, the income source block shows all expenditures that receive the company. In addition, the key users are shown, which are the main users for the operations of the business. On other hand, to the case partners, and finally the cost structure are also shown. Marketing audits. Taking into account the audit that will be carried out of the company Gigante Junior Multiproductos and Servicios, of which 2 types of audits, the comprehensive and the periodic, will be carried out in order to carefully evaluate the strategies and results, correct errors, and detect new opportunities. The metrics to be evaluated carry out setting the period with which set audits are carried out on the process is drawn up when carry out each audit. This is the format that will be used to perform the audits.
Hi, good morning, good afternoon. My name is Hector Martinez and I'm going to explain the introduction and objectives of the media plan. First of all, what a media plan is. A media plan is a strategic work that aims to select channels to use and determine the main platforms and advertising campaign which will be launched to reach the target audience. This basically shows us how make to grow the company using the marketing. The general objective of this is positioning the company in a top, such as every company wants to reach a top. The specific objectives is tied in three very important objectives. The number one says identify and create profiles on virtual platforms for the company. The number two says periodically publish product publications through official networks and thus creates the brand positioning of the consumer. And the number three says offer access to discounts, prices, coupons, and other type of benefits. The advertising plan says the next one. For the company is important to have an advertising plan. It is important because it's the way where you can promotion the company. If you, for example, choose the use flyers, you need make away from the flyers has a very positive results. And the selected media and justification were explained in the next diapositives. We choose as traditional media the flyers and presentation cards. In digital media, we selected a web page created by Wix, email, and social networks such as Facebook and Instagram. The advertising designs is gonna be presented, and I'm gonna explain why has that appearance. The traditional media has a flyer and presentation card. The flyer in your left side and presentation card in your right side. This will be very simple, but we wanted to keep that essence. And digital media is the website in your right side. It's very simple too. And the social media, you can appreciate the Facebook page. As you can see, is the company location, and your right side you have the Instagram profile where we will show the future merchandise. And that's all for my part. I'm gonna see to my next partner explain the topic. Thank you.
Hello, I explained the web page. And the web page was made because it was that the company had the need to have a digital presence. The main purpose of developing the web page is to have a greater visualization of the reach in the networks. Besides sales, having a higher positioning, visualization, and also loyalty to the customers. So to start, the windows was made where the client can see. New offer also to the window about just where the client can know the history of the company, and as well as its mission and vision. In addition, there is the contact use that where the client will have the company and outputs data to communicate directly with its solved and dupes. Uh, where are the Windows called department was also added, which is called way because the client can use build the different products offered by the company accommodate in different categories. The next. In addition, the service that was made where the client can solve any dupes and well or repair the merchandising obtained from the company, obtain a quote to know how much the cost and any repair that he wants to make will be. And finally, the auctions and my car was added where added the user in the account to can register with their email or service offer and these accounts as well build the sales products. In conclusion, in conclusion, uh, in the order to know the main problems that arise in the company, Gigante Junior, Multiproductos and Servicios, it was very important to use different tools related to the marketing. So some of the tools that were implemented in the creation of the marketing plan were strategies to achieve a better position with the market, as well as to having a great advertising reach. The website for the company was created with the aim of having a great reach in advertising and sales. So